Are you tired of movie explosions that sound like gentle puffs and music that feels flat and lifeless? If your home entertainment setup is missing that deep, room-shaking bass that makes you feel like you're actually in the action, then you need to hear about the Sonos Sub 4 wireless subwoofer. This isn't just another bass box sitting in your corner. The Sonos Sub 4 features dual Sonos-engineered drivers that generate incredibly deep, rich bass that you don't just hear, you actually feel it in your chest. The ported enclosure design enhances every bass note, giving you that theater-quality sound that makes action movies come alive and transforms your favorite songs into an immersive experience. What really sets this apart is the force-canceling acoustic architecture that virtually eliminates vibration and distortion. This means you get pure, clean bass without any of that annoying buzzing or rattling that cheaper subwoofers produce. Your neighbors might not appreciate how good your system sounds, but at least your furniture won't be shaking apart. The setup couldn't be easier either. This wireless beauty connects reliably to your existing Sonos soundbar or speakers with zero complicated wiring. It's literally plug and play with just a single power cable, and the Sonos app walks you through everything in minutes. Thousands of buyers rave about how simple the installation process is, even for people who aren't tech-savvy. And let's talk about how this thing looks. The iconic sculptural design with updated matte finish doesn't scream big ugly speaker box. Instead, it's actually an attractive addition to your room that complements your decor rather than dominating it. You can place it anywhere and it seamlessly blends in. When you pair the Sub 4 with your Sonos system, you're not just adding bass, you're completely transforming your entire home theater experience. Movies become more immersive, music reveals details you never heard before, and even TV shows sound dramatically better. This top-rated subwoofer has earned thousands of 5-star reviews from buyers who say it's the single best upgrade they've made to their home audio setup. Don't settle for flat, disappointing sound when you could be experiencing the full spectrum of audio the way it was meant to be heard. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal on the Sonos Sub 4 and discover what you've been missing.